আমি এতিয়া আসাম হায়াৰ ছেকেণ্ডাৰী এডুকেশ্যন কাউন্সিলৰ আৰু এটা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন কিছুমান ডিছকাছ কৰি আছোঁ। Give two reasons for energy loss in an actual transformer. Energy loss in a transformer occurs due to the following reason. এক number flux leakage, resistance of the winding of the wire due to the heat produced, and the third one is eddy current formation. State and explain the Kirchhoff's voltage law. According to Kirchhoff's voltage law, the algebraic sum of the changes in potential around a closed loop involving resistor and cell in a loop is 0. And if we consider a circuit having resistor R1 and R2 and I is the current flowing through it, then by applying KVL rule we can get R1 into I plus R2 into I is equal to the EMF of the cell. An identical resistor is having resistance R is connected in parallel. Find the equivalent resistance. The equivalent resistance for n resistor is given by R1, R2, R3, Rn is given as 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to 1 by R to the power Rn, 1 by Rn. This is the equivalent resistance because these are parallel to each other. So as they are parallel to each other, so we have the equivalent resistance like this. 4 electron volt is the energy of incident photon and the work function is 2 electron volt. What is the stopping potential? For stopping potential আমি calculate কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি ইয়াক এটো formula use কৰিম. EV naught is equal to S nu minus the work function. ইয়াত work function কিমান দিয়া আছে 2 electron volt যেটো আমি 2 electron volt লিখিলো আৰু 4 electron volt হেতু হ'ব energy of the incident photon মানে S nu value 4 electron volt হ'ব তেতিয়া হলে V naught মানে stopping potential হ'ব 2 electron volt divided by E, that is the electron, then we get it as 2 volt. A particle of mass m is moving with a velocity v. What is the wavelength of the matter wave and what is the dimension of Planck's constant? Wavelength of matter wave is given as lambda is equal to h by mv and the dimension of Planck's constant is ml square t to the power minus 1. State the working principle of transformer. A transformer works on the phenomena of mutual induction, and mutual induction is the phenomena by virtue of which the amount of magnetic flux linked with the coil changes. Here an EMF is induced in the neighboring coil if N1 is the number of turns of the primary coil and V1 is the voltage applied across it, then the induced EMF we get E1 is equal to minus N d phi by dt. Similarly, the induced EMF on the second coil E2 we get minus N2 d phi by dt. If the resistance is very small, then V1 is equal to E1 is equal to N1 by d phi by dt. Similarly, V2 is equal to N2 by d phi by dt. From this we can get V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2, and for step up we have V1 is lesser than V2, hence N1 is lesser than N2. Similarly, for step down V1 is greater than V2, hence N1 is greater than N2. three condenser is having 3 microfarad are arranged in such a way so that the equivalent capacity is 2 microfarad. Then draw the equivalent arrangement. ইয়াক arrange কৰিবলৈ হলে 3 microfarad আমি দুটা parallel connect কৰি দিছো আৰু এটা in series connect কৰিছো ইয়াত capacitor equivalent capacity যেতিয়া সিরিজত থাকে তেতিয়া হলে তাক আমি যেতিয়া প্যারালেলত থাকে তেতিয়া হলে আমি ক্যাপাসিটৰ capacity calculate কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি তাক add কৰি দিও directly which is opposite হয় resistance কে capacitor calculation যেতিয়া আমি কৰো তাৰ opposite হয় in case of resistor parallel থাকিলে আমি তাক আমি 1 by r দি পেলাই calculate কৰো 1 by r plus 1 by r but in case of capacitor we directly add them just like ইয়াত সিরিজত থাকিলে তাত প্যারালেলৰ ৰকম ব্যৱহাৰ ইউজ কৰো ইয়াত আমি ডাইৰেক্ট এড কৰি দিলু সিরিজৰ দুটা যেতিয়া প্যারালেলত আছে আমি সিরিজত থাকাৰ ৰকম ৰেজিস্টৰ যেতিয়া সিরিজত থাকে তেতিয়া আমি ডাইৰেক্টলি এড কৰি দিও ঠিক তেনে দৰে আমি ইয়াক ডাইৰেক্টলি এড কৰি দিছো যেতিয়া ইকিটা প্যারালেলত আছে so we get 6 microfarad and আৰু যেতিয়া সিরিজত থাকে তেতিয়া আমি প্যারালেলত ৰেজিস্টৰ যেনেকে প্যারালেলত থাকে তেনেকে ক্যালকুলেট কৰো তাৰপা আমি 2 microfarad ক্যালকুলেট কৰিলো A rectangular coil of number of turn n area A is rotating on a uniform magnetic field of flux density B with a uniform angular velocity omega. Then what is the peak EMF? The induced EMF for a rotating coil of n turn is given as E is equal to minus d phi B by dt, or which we can write minus NBA dt of cos omega t, and the instantaneous value of EMF is E is equal to NBA omega sin omega t. So the peak EMF is NBA omega.